Today's Power Query challenge is all about splitting sales into two categories: weekday sales, Monday to Friday, and weekend sales, Saturday and Sunday. We've got a table with daily sales, and our goal is to summarize the total sales for each category. So let's jump right in. Let's load this into Power Query, select the table and go to Data from Table Range. Now, to separate weekdays from weekends, we need to know what day of the week each date falls on. To do that, we'll create a custom column. In Power Query, go to Add Column, Custom Column. Enter the formula. Date.DayOfWeek is a built-in Power Query function that returns the day of the week as a number. The second argument, Day.Monday, tells Power Query which day should be treated as the start of the week. Now here is something important. Power Query treats Monday as 0. Yes, it's 0 based, which means Monday equals 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, and so on. This zero-based system makes it easy to split weekdays and weekends. Now that we have numbers for each day, let's categorize the sales. Instead of adding a conditional column, let's keep it clean and efficient by modifying our formula directly in the formula bar. If Date.DayOfWeek is 5 or greater, then weekend, else weekday. This approach keeps everything neat without extra columns. Now that we have labeled each sale as a weekday or weekend, it's time to group the data. Go to the Transform tab and click Group By. In the Group By window, group by the column we just created. We need the sum of sales and let's rename it Total Sales. Always rename columns properly, it keeps your reports understandable, especially if you revisit them later. And that's it, you now have two rows, one for weekday sales and one for weekend sales. Two simple steps, categorizing days and grouping sales. But here is the takeaways. Date.DayOfWeek gives you a clean, language-independent solution. A little formula tweak saves you from creating extra columns. If you enjoyed this challenge, drop a comment below and let me know how you'd approach it. See you next time!